Hey, Popcorn Geniuses, today we're counting down the top 7 kettle corn popcorn flavors that you probably didn't know were possible. Coming in at number 7, we've got classic butter popcorn. All right, we're gonna put in 1.5 cups of our butter coconut flavoring. Add our popcorn. All right, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Flavorcol to this. It's starting to heat up now. We'll start bagging it up. At number 6, blue raspberry kettle corn. 1.5 cups corn oil. 3 cups popping corn. Blue raspberry. There we go. We got 1.5 cups of blue raspberry glaze popping there. We're gonna get that popping. And there we go. We got our blue raspberry popcorn. Number 5, Chicago style kettle corn. We have 1.5 cups of our coconut popcorn oil, and we're going to be adding 3 cups of popcorn. We're going to add 2/3 cup of our cheddar cheese seasoning on. And we use a nice big garbage bag. It just helps coat it, and there you go. Look at that. Cheddar cheese popcorn. All right, we're going to be making caramel corn now. So here is 1.5 cups of corn oil and 3 cups of popcorn. We're going to be using 1.5 cups of our caramel glaze pop, and we'll add that now. We're going to take this caramel corn and we're going to mix it with the cheddar cheese popcorn that we made earlier, and we'll give it a try. I can see why this is definitely a favorite for some. Rolling in at number 4, watermelon. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of kernels. Watermelon and sugar combination. That was 1.5 cups. That is some really great popcorn. Number 3, we have classic kettle corn. We're using 1.5 cups of corn oil, and I have 3 cups of Monster Pop popcorn. Now we'll add our sugar. Some regular sea salt, and we're gonna shake that on. And we'll let that cool down, and then we'll add that to bags. At number 2, strawberry shortcake. 1.5 cups of oil, 3 cups of corn. Popcorn is starting to pop. It's got hot enough. Now we're gonna add our 1.25 cups of strawberry gloss sugar. A huge thank you to today's sponsor, KettleCornMachine.com. Whether you're just getting started or you're ready to take your popcorn game to the next level, KettleCornMachine.com has everything you need. They've got professional grade kettle corn machines and all the equipment that goes along with starting your own business. Put in using white chocolate chips, put in vegetable oil. And now we're gonna start to drizzle right over the top of our strawberry popcorn and crushed up Oreos. We just drizzle it all on there. This popcorn is definitely a fan favorite, so give it a try. And the number 1 kettle corn flavor is s'mores popcorn. We're gonna add our chocolate frosted gold medal. Now we'll start to sprinkle our marshmallows on there. And that's how we make s'mores. There you have it, Popcorn Geniuses, the top 7 kettle corn flavors. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you want to learn how to make more of these flavors yourself, check out our other videos. We also have a great recipe book that you can download for absolutely free, so check that out in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep on popping.